Oh, hey, what's going on? My name is Gerard. I'm an exotic plant collector, and today I have an unboxing once again from Facebook. I am constantly looking at online sellers like Steve Leaves, NSC Tropicals, um, Tennessee Tropicals, a whole bunch of SoCal Tropicals. But Facebook, I've been also hunting Facebook, and sometimes you can find a really good deal. So this is what I have today. I want to show you and also want to document just to see later on in the future how this plant progresses. It's in a nice sized box. Looks like they reused it. But usually when I am buying a plant off of Facebook, I'm looking for potential to be able to keep the plant, grow the plant, so I can have it. And if the price is there, I'm definitely going to scoop it up. I got this plant for $65, and packaged nicely. Kind of got a little shake to it, but that's okay. And we're going to dig a little deeper. The seller told me she was from Pennsylvania. I'm just looking at the box. I saw some stuff. Looks like some dirt was in there, but she took that out. She's from Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania is not that far from me, about 2 hours away. Packaged very nicely. This is starting to become more of a not as sought after plant, but I just decided to get it because I wanted to get it. And we'll shortly see what it is after I get this nicely packaged wrapping off of it. We got some stuff falling out. I see it. Looks pretty good. I don't know if you can see that so far. Ooh, we got dirt falling out. We got dirt falling out. We got dirt falling out. It's a Florida ghost. It's a dirty Florida ghost. Some of the soil that she kept in there, but it most likely came out during shipping, which is all understandable. The leaves look intact. So I'm going to carefully remove more of the packaging. And I'm not going to take it out yet, but I believe this was a good deal. I did see some growth points on it, and that's the reason why I got it, because I saw the potential to make my money back that I spent on it, because I'm going to recirculate this most likely on Facebook or eBay. We got options to sell. It's not a big thing, but I just wanted to get it for a nice deal. And this, if you don't know, is a Florida ghost philodendron. There's already some nice red petioles I'm gonna probably clean it off so you see a little better of it. Um, it's a philodendron. Once again, I'm very comfortable with caring for philodendrons, and what I will give it is what it will need to grow as fast as possible and big as possible, because that's what it's designed to grow. In the back, I got all these grow lights and more plants surrounding me that I'm doing a great job with. So it's November 2nd, and I think tomorrow is election day, November 3rd, election day. So hopefully everything goes right with that, and hopefully everything's go right with my Florida ghost, but I'll keep you guys updated on the progress. I just wanted to show you my new plant that I'm welcoming to the crew. I'm going to get it out of this room, and I'm going to take it to my quarantine area where I can quarantine it. I'll pot it up. I'll probably put it in some regular soil that I am very accustomed to, with the mycorrhiza and the bacteria properties that I usually plant most of my plants with, without any synthetic harsh salt fertilizers and already put in the soil. So I don't really use stuff that's synthetic at all. I like to use natural stuff. Even though I'm not eating these plants, I just want to use everything that's natural, so the plant can feel as much as at home as possible. Now, Florida ghost care, I'm not going to go into that. I'm sure it needs a lot of light. Well, I'm probably going to give between 200 to 400 foot candles, somewhere in between. I got my light meter. I know we're okay. I just got to find a space for it. I've been getting rid of a lot of plants recently because it's starting to get really cold. So I've been selling a lot of plants that I've had for maybe over a couple years, just to let somebody else enjoy them, because we got to consolidate. So with that said, I may not look it, but I'm very happy to have the Florida Ghost. It's not variegated. I'm looking at the variegated Florida Ghost. They're still looking like over, I would say, over $1,000 for the variegated version of that, because that's what type of market we're still in. And if I can catch a steal or a deal, I'm going to look for it. But I want to start growing this out. And like I said, the whole goal is to keep the plant, and obviously it's going to get big. So chopping it and propping it and then selling it is a bonus. It's a bonus that hopefully, you guys, you plant lovers out there are doing the same thing, because a ton of people are doing it on Facebook, Etsy. Like I said, there's tons of plant stores out there. It's just hard to keep up to track with so many plant stores that I would love to buy from. Like I'm still looking for a plant from what is it? NSC Tropicals. And there's other plant stores around me in Philly. I probably will go back up to Ill Exotics in Philly to see what they got in store. My Phillies are a mess right now, so hopefully they're okay. But other than that, I'm just going to end it there. I'll probably be having a plant tour for you shortly. I'm just going to get that together as far as for my pink princesses, because a lot of you have been asking for updates on my pink princess, and I did actually put one on eBay that is doing very well on eBay, and it blew out my expectations, and the auction's still going. But enough about that. everybody, thanks for watching. And like I said, I just wanted to document me opening up this plant and just seeing it so I can look back on when I first got it. Hopefully it doesn't die, and hopefully it just gets big and I can do what I want to do. It's a high probability of me keeping it alive. So it's all good. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And if you haven't, hit that like and subscribe button. Check out my other material. I talk about plant care, plant tips. I'm going to be coming up with a video. I cannot wait to just put this video out for my tricolor pictum. But my tricolor pictum, I want to put a video because it's growing a second shoot, a rhizome, and it just popped out of the like a small little opening, and I've been kind of flashing it on Instagram. So I just want to put my experience with that plant out there. So hopefully that'll be my next video that I'll be posting. So watch out for that if you're interested in getting the tricolor pictum. It's an easy care plant for me, but I won't talk about that. But hopefully I can help you and we can share knowledge about that plant in the next video. But that's going to be that next video. And like I said, keep growing, guys, and thanks for watching.